Terra Luna Classic is about to see its biggest burn ever, and it's thanks to Lunatics token. We'll get into that here in a second, but if you thought it couldn't get any better, 50 million burn, 50 million burn, 150 million burn. I think there was another 50 million in there somewhere or something, because I'm pretty sure they were sitting at 300 million burnt, and that number is about to get blown away here come tomorrow. So guys, what is Lunatics token? We'll talk about that in the video. How are they burning so many Terra Luna Classic? Like, what is going on here? And yes, the price is still sitting right around 10,000 points per coin, but we have to understand that burning these tokens, it takes a while, and it's going to need to see long-term sustainable burns before you really see the price move. So we'll talk about that as well, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks, $1 crypto trade. You're walking away with $5 in free crypto, and we are actually on a very nice crypto run right now. Bitcoin back above 24,000, Ethereum above 1,700, Shiba Inu coin above 1,200, Terra Luna Classic sitting right there at that 10,000 point per coin level. We've seen some amazing gains over the last month or so. A lot of people think they're sustainable. A lot of people think it's going to keep moving higher from here. The economy hasn't quite caught up to the market yet, but we're going to have to see what happens. Let's talk about Terra Luna Classic and these massive burns. Guys, Lunatics token came out of nowhere, and they are just destroying the burn scene. Prior to Lunatics token, we had LUNC DAO and we had MEXC Global. MEXC Global is a centralized exchange, and they were able to burn, I believe, 530 some million Terra Luna Classic, and they did so by running a campaign where they burnt the trading fees that you used on their centralized exchange. So any trading fees that took place in the Terra Luna Classic pair, I believe with USDT or something, not exactly sure which coin it was, but they burnt those trading fees, and they walked away burning about 500 million tokens after the month. LUNC DAO doing very well, and I believe that they are somewhere in the 200, maybe 260, 250 million Terra Luna Classic burnt range, doing very well to inspire the community to burn Terra Luna Classic and come up with these different projects and so on, really hitting it hard on Twitter. The Lunatics token. Now, this is where it gets interesting, guys. These guys just came out of nowhere last week, and they've already burnt 300 million. That's $30,000 right now worth of Terra Luna Classic. How are they doing so? There's a 4% transactional tax on every transaction that takes place on the Lunatics token. 2% is redistributed to all the holders, and another 2% is used to burn Terra Luna Classic. Now, think about this. That's 2% on a side token. Imagine what's going to happen with 1.2% on every Terra Luna Classic transaction. We'll talk about that here at the end of the video. But that 1.2% transactional tax could be incredible. So knowing that 2% is used to burn Terra Luna Classic, they have burnt, I believe, 50 million, bringing them to 150 million, and then they burnt another 150 million Terra Luna Classic, and it's only going to get better. Guys, tomorrow, I believe the date, what is the date tomorrow? The 31st of July. Yeah, 29th was yesterday, 30 today, 31 tomorrow. Yeah, that's what it is. 31st of July tomorrow. They're going to be burning 250 million Terra Luna Classic. That's roughly $25,000 that is just going to poof, disappear and burn that coin, taking it out of circulation. 250 million is going to be the largest single Terra Luna Classic burn that we have seen so far, and it's going to be incredible to see. Now, if you're wondering, will this allow the price to spike up? No. Okay, I'm not going to get your hopes up and tell you the price is going to spike up because they're burning 250 million Terra Luna Classic and so on. We need to remember, $250 million is a lot. $25,000 is a lot of money. But if you're looking at the grand scheme of things, if you're looking at the 6.5 trillion tokens that are out there, 250 million is just a drop in the bucket. And it's not even a fraction of a percent. And we need to see these gains or these burns and the gains in the burns. So like continually increasing these burns. We need to see that sustained over a long period of time. Hitting it with these burns like this is great if we can keep it up. Now, you think about it. Even if we were able to burn 1%, if you burn 10%, you're burning 650 billion tokens. 1% is going to be 65 billion tokens. So you start to see how many tokens we actually need to burn in Terra Luna Classic to start making a dent. And to kind of put that in perspective, if you were to burn just 1%, 65 billion tokens. It's a lot, right? It's still another, what, 460, 250x increase over what these lunatics are going to be burning tomorrow. So a ridiculous amount. We could expect the price to rise by maybe 1%. If you lower the price, if you lower the supply, by 1%, you may be able to expect roughly a 1% increase in the price in order to keep that and maintain that market cap in Terra Luna Classic. So don't expect large price gains to happen overnight because of these burns. If it does, it's on the excitement, it's on the idea, it's on the hope that burns will continually happen and continue to drop the price throughout the future. It's not because of the actual burn itself. These burns need to be massive, and you need to take a massive amount of coins out of circulation if we expect the price to be able to move higher. But nonetheless, guys, this is exciting. It's inspiring. It shows what can be done in a very short period of time. And imagine, Lunatics token is doing great. Imagine if there was another Lunatics token and another Lunatics token and another Lunatics token, and then somebody starts a business that's going to be burning Terra Luna Classic, and then the metaverse takes off, and the 1.2% burn tax comes into play. Guys, this 1.2% burn tax, if you do the numbers and everything stays the same, you can see the supply of Terra Luna Classic basically reduced down to nothing in roughly a 2-year period. I know nobody wants to wait 2 years, but why not? I mean, if you want to see Terra Luna Classic going back up to $10, $20, $50 a coin, and it could happen in 2 years, if that burn tax plays out the way that people are expecting it to play out, then it's well worth it. It's well worth watching Terra Luna Classic go to those prices if we can make it happen. Now, that's the big part. It is an if. Burning doesn't guarantee anything. The markets don't guarantee anything. It is all in our hands. We hold the future of Terra Luna Classic, and I want to know right now if you guys are going to be around to see it. Let me know if you expect these burns to absolutely work and whether or not you're going to be here to reap the benefits as the future unfolds. And of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. If you made it this long, if you made it this far in the video, there's a free Discord. Make sure to check it out. Join that. And you get 6 free stocks on Webull. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.